Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Kellen from the Daily Drive podcast. And it's Friday, which means you may have had a long week. That's if you've worked in a plant, if you're working in a dealership, or maybe even up in a C-suite. So it's time for your weekly three. Toyota enthusiasts have leaked the image of the new 2024 Tacoma 4x4. Now, the automaker planned to reveal the new Tacoma on May 19th, but those Tacoma enthusiasts, they couldn't wait. And Tacoma4G.com took credit for posting the leaked photo. Now, a spokesperson from Toyota said, "We're excited to see the enthusiasm around the new Tacoma, and we're looking forward to the official reveal on May 19th. Now, GM has hired Apple Cloud Services exec Mike Abbott to lead their software team. Now, he'll begin the newly created role on May 22nd, and Mike will be leading a reorganized software team focused on information and digital technology, along with software-defined vehicle and operating systems and digital business. And Mr. Abbott will be reporting directly to the CEO, Mary Barra. And remember those older Hyundai and Kia vehicles that were target to theft due to their lack of a crucial anti-theft device? Well, it could be costing the U.S. insurance industry up to $600 million. That is a lot of money. Insurers who filed a lawsuit in a U.S. district court said they've already paid out $190 million. And they're demanding Hyundai Motor Co., Kia America, and Kia Corp to reimburse them for the funds paid to owners for replacement, repair of damage, and vehicles that have been stolen. I'm Kellen Walker from the Daily Drive podcast, and that's your weekly three.